What does it mean to lead the assembly? Any member of a monastic community has the ability to lead the assembly. Don't underestimate yourself by considering yourself a newly ordained rookie or someone who is only capable of undertaking unimportant duties. Actually, every member of the community can exert their influence. A monastic community's ability to last for a long time depends on the entire community turning the wheel of the Dharma together. Don't think that a specific individual is the monastic community's leader and no one else's ideas or abilities matter. We begin by learning the minor details of the monastic community's affairs and gradually develop a broad perspective and clear vision. This increases our capability. Not only must we have substantial knowledge and understanding of the Dharma, but also we must realize the Dharma through personal experience. Furthermore, we must gain knowledge of the workings of the world and be able to apply this knowledge appropriately. We have to be able to replicate our organizational structure, taking whatever we have learned in the department or team that we are responsible for, and apply whatever works to the larger organizational structure. Don't think that you're doing all your duties only for the sake of others. In fact, you're continuously developing yourself. As long as you put in effort and participate in a monastic community's activities, you'll be able to develop your potential and accomplish your goals. When someone asks you, "What do you do at the monastery?" don't just answer, "I cook, I clean the storage room, or I clean the toilets." When you respond in this way, what impression will that give to other Buddhists? They will think all the Sangha does is cook, clean toilets, and take out the trash. That attitude also harms your feeling of the sanctity of the three jewels, and your aspiration to benefit and liberate yourself and others will also diminish. In a monastic community, spreading the proper Dharma as taught by the Buddha is the mission of the entire community. These are all sacred tasks, no matter which areas you engage in. This is not carried out only by one person, but depends on everyone having shared beliefs and goals. Only with everyone walking together in the same direction can the Buddha's wheel of Dharma turn and the true Dharma be passed on to the next generation.